Hey guys, today we are going to make this sphere wave animation. As you can see, it's a copy of PIXIV Entertainment logo animation. In this tutorial, we're gonna make up-down animation to Sphare for the first, and then create Sphare clones on Spline, and make time gap of vertical animation to each clones. Anyway, I'm handling motion graphic templates of After Effects and CINEMA4D. You can buy them on MotionElements. And if you subscribe my Patreon, you can download all project files anytime for free. If you have a question, feel free to send message to me. If you want, please follow my social medias from description. Okay then, let's get started. Create cylinder and radius 20 and height 40, and rotation segments is 30. And open caps tab and check fillet, and radius is 20, and segments 50. So it looks like a perfect sphere though. Why we don't use a sphere? Because we will apply spline warp later. It doesn't work with Sphare. That's why. Okay, then next step. Create spline for guide of spline warp. Spline warp we will apply on the next step. So click pen tool and go to right view and click around here and make a line vertically like this. Okay, and change to select mode and select first point, and here Y position is 0 and second point is make it 5,000 I think. Okay, go back to this view, perspective view, and change name to spline warp. Okay, and then apply spline warp to cylinder. Hold shift key and click spline warp. Okay, I apply spline warp to move sphere vertically, and click spline warp and go to object tab and spline, bring spline warp and strength 1% and from 0 to 0. Okay, and change offset. It move like this. So set keyframes. Go to 0 frame. Click keyframe of offset 0% and bring to 50 frames. Change to 100% and click here and go to 30 frames, turn down to 0% and click here. Now like this. Okay, and maybe 90 frames is too short, so I change to 120. Okay, anyway, in Spline warp 1% strength is important. If we change to higher value like 50, it will be deformed, and it has just 1% strength distance, so this offset works a little here. That's why we changed this vertical guide super tall. And next, create spline for the guide of cloner. Cloner is we will apply to sphere later. So go to top view and select pen tool and make spline whatever you want. Like this. Okay, and go back to perspective view and rename it cloner, and apply cloner to cylinder. Hold Alt key and click cloner. Object tab, mode is object, and blink cloner to object here, and distribution is step, and step distance is 80. Okay, and next interesting part, apply step. Spheres got large, so go to parameter tab and uncheck scale, but now there are no change with steps, so change time offset, maybe 90 to 120, so for me it's 100, and play it. We could create wave animation. Okay, and apply floor, click here and change to select mode and bring it up until make stopping spheres hide, like here. Adjust white position like this. Okay, here is the best for me. the last part, apply camera. And click here. And go to 0 frame. Maybe. Uh, 20. Set keyframes of camera direction like this, and change frames and follow sphares. Like this. But I skipped this part, so this tutorial is done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please stop like and subscribe my channel. Don't miss new videos. I post about motion graphics on social medias. Please follow me. See you on this video.